Hi guys. Very warm, gloomy day at Lower Seletar. We're here with Matt. We're here with Tokidoki. And we're here with Z2020. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. ASMR.
What?
You don't know what ASMR is?
No.
Little kisses. So I just showed Matt what ASMR is. Do you get it?
No.
Can you mimic it, Matt?
You're correct.
Yeah, pretty much. Pretty much. So that's Matt's introduction to ASMR.
I have no idea what it means, man.
So guys, we're about to head on to Lower Seletar Reservoir.
Yep.
We're gonna test Matthew's new reel,
Yep.
and we'll see what we get. Don't expect much.
No.
Expectations low,
Yep.
but
Enjoy the time.
yeah, enjoy the casting. So update you guys in a bit. You guys, we're here in Lower Seletar. They're clearing all the weeds, so it's gonna make the fish run away. They're not gonna be around here. So it's gonna be the last few days. Yeah, they're pushing the weeds over here, but at the side they're gone. So you're gonna wait for at least 6 months for it to regrow, and yeah, then the fishes will be back, but it's gonna be the last few days.
Okay guys, let me explain what's going on in this clip. So, I noticed a fry ball right below the fishing deck, and we started disturbing the area with our lures to get a reaction out of the parents. So, there was not much of a reaction. We saw some bubbles, and that was because the parent was stuck, right? It had a lure in its mouth already, and there was leader tied to it, and the leader was wrapped around some weeds, so the mama snakehead could not get away. It was stuck right there underneath the fishing deck. So Matt and I decided, hey, you know what, let's bring this fish up and free it so it can go about its way. If not, the babies would be exposed to danger, and the snakehead would most likely die because it can't go out and feed. It's stuck in one location. Later on in the video, you'll see us bring it up, and yeah, you could smell there was a bit of necrosis on the fish's mouth area. It didn't smell good. However, we did successfully remove the lure and released it back to its babies, where they actually swam off. So it was a good sight. So watch the video.
You get your lip grips or anything? Just grip him in the mouth. Okay.
Hey, Operation
Hey! Woo! Save the hard one, get free lure. Careful, your hook's on the floor, yeah?
Yeah, save the hard one, get free lure.
Bye bye.
Okay, go back.
Careful your line. Watch your line, okay? There you go. Be free with your babies.
Big man, it's a
Yep. Something's chasing it, man. I don't know. Peacock bass. Wow! Let's give it a few more. Thanks, man. Oh, I'm on. Fish on.
Oh, that looks like oh, yes. The bunch of seaweed.
Dude, I'm sure there are a lot of peacocks there. Oh, Matt, you're on?
Yeah. Oh, it's not jumping though.
What is it? What is it? Oh, you're in the weeds. Is it a peacock?
Oh, he has no chance against the sea, JD.
Wait, watch it, man. It might just snap up right now. Hey, another speckled.
Yeah.
Nice. Okay guys, so Timothy back there, he's joining us for a short while. He knows what ASMR is. Can you describe? Yeah, so Matt just figured out what ASMR means today.
It's just sound. Just sound.
There you go. So today's fishing was actually not bad. We landed quite a few on Topwater. The peacocks were very greedy, and we saved the higher one. Yeah. So that higher one was hooked, and the leader actually snapped, and the leader was wrapped around some weeds. So the higher one actually could not go anywhere. It was stuck, and you could see the babies. They were just surrounding its mom, but if it couldn't go anywhere, what are you doing there too? If it couldn't go anywhere, it could not feed and surely would die. So we rescued it. Matthew got a free lure out of it, and the higher one can go on to live its life. So happily ever after. So guys, till next time, peace.